welcome to my YouTube channel, Desert Moon. Balik-balik niya kung kanta mga loves kay baon saon pag master, no? Just try to master. Practice ang mga loves. Is this the train to Desert Moon? Was all she said. But I knew I heard a stranger's voice before. I turned to look into her eyes, but she's moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The Weatherford are memories in a tiny cup. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dreams we lost or given up. When the whistle caught the night and shock silent from my life, and the last train rolled towards the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we bag of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our heads to grow up too soon, we live our innocence. On Desert Moon we were dreamers, only dreamers. On Desert Moon, on Desert Moon, on Desert Moon, Desert Moon. Enjoy lang atong soap mga loves sa kanta-kanta. I still can hear the whistle of the summer nights, the echoes in the corner of my heart. The nights we stood and waiting for the desert rain. All the words we meant to say, all the chances wave away, still remain on the road to Ondo. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moment pass and times move on, but dream remains for just as long as they're dreamers, only dreamers. Desert Moon, Desert Moon, on Desert Moon, Desert Moon. Thank you for watching.